Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Matic Network Polygon Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets, and before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box and in comment section. You can either join Patreon/MindYourCrypto, buy me a coffee, or BillMindYourCrypto.com. You will get tons of benefits, including an automated system with 200 altcoins. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You will also get personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, live trading, buying scripts for trading view, random giveaways, scalping trading strategy to recover all your losses, and of course a manual system with over 90% win ratio and many other benefits. Join us, you won't regret it. If you regret it, cancel anytime you like. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to Matic. Okay. So what is the risk right here? Where can we go? And what can we do potentially in the next few hours to the next few days? So what we have right here with Matic is that we found rejection at the 50-day exponential moving average, having a little bit of a bearish action right here due to the fact that Bitcoin also had a bearish movement right there. And of course we went down, went back up a little bit, and now we are just above the 20-day EMA, the yellow line. So what is next for Matic? Can we go even higher? Actually, what risk do we have right now? On the 4-hour frame, we have a little bit of a high risk because the commodity channel index is going into an overbought situation. You can see right here, the purple line is going a little bit upwards, okay? So we have the purple line. If it goes upwards, then it is an overbought situation. We are in an overbought situation right there. It means that we have to sell probably, especially now that the market is bearish for Matic. Okay, but anyway, we are going to see the next price targets as well. The stochastic says not bearish, and also the Fisher transform is in a neutral position near the yellow line. So right now what we have with Matic is that we hold a little bit of a risk, not a high risk on the day, on the 4-hour frame. We have to see other risk metrics as well and other targets to include if we have a buying entry or not. On the bollinger bands, if we open them, you can see that when we approach the bottom line, we usually have a buying entry. When we approach the top line, we usually have a selling opportunity. Now we are in the middle near the top line, so we do not have either of them. And if I open up the SSL hybrid right here, close the bollinger bands and open up the SSL hybrid, you will see that we had a selling opportunity back here and not a buying opportunity. You will see the red arrow. That means that we should sell. Blue arrow means we should buy. We had a great buying opportunity right here, but not a great here as well. Okay, so right now we had to sell and we do not have a blue arrow to buy. Okay, so according to the SL hybrid, this is not a great buying entry. Anyway, let's get to Matic against Bitcoin chart. Right here, I am on the weekly frame. I want to show you something, and it is very interesting to see. First of all, we have actually the 20-day exponential moving average on the weekly frame as a support level. Let's see if we can keep this or not. This is the first major support level for Matic against Bitcoin chart. Let's go now to the 4-hour frame so we can see some very important support and resistance levels for the next few hours for Matic against Bitcoin chart. Right here, what we have is that we can go further upwards, but at the same time, we had a little bit of a resistance level at the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement. Now we have also the 50-day exponential moving average. We can go even higher, but we have to close first above this level. We can go to the next one and to the next one, which will be the 0.40 5031. In case we go up there, then we might be having a sell pressure, but on the time being though, we are good. You can see that Matic against Bitcoin chart did not correct so much. Yes, we have the correction going on, but we are still fine. All right. If I had to tell you some other resistance levels as well, I would draw the trend-based Fibonacci extension and the next targets. Okay, from this bottom back on 14 December to this top, 26 December, and to this bottom back on 25 January. You can see that we have this resistance level around here that we are right now, and we have one more at the 0.4047, also at the 0.4050 that we had before the next resistance level. Can we get there? it is very, very difficult. I will explain why. We have the 50-day MA, the 20-day MA as our resistance levels. It is difficult right now to get to the 0.5, but we have an extreme oversold situation due to the fact, that we have the Matic against Bitcoin chart into the commodity channel index into an oversold situation as well. Let's see how this will go. Usually these weeks right there, the upper side of the candlestick gets filled usually. But let's go to Matic against USDT. I want to point out some price targets right here. First of all, this is the GANFAM tool from this bottom to this top. I have squared the chart, I have made a video about how to draw a GANFAM properly, and you can check it out, okay, in the channel as well. So right now we are down from the 1-1 in the regular scale. If I go to the logarithmic, we are upon the 1-1 GANFAM line right here, okay. But what I will do right now is to go back into the regular scale, and we are going to go based on that. If we found rejection on the 1.72 around there to 1.73, then we are going back down, getting almost at the 1.25, 1.30 and so on. Okay, but I'm going to remove the GANFAM and I'm going to draw a simple Fibonacci retracement. Let's go to the 4-hour frame, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a Fibonacci from this top back to this bottom right here. You can see that we had a rejection at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement area, this green line right here. Now, what is next for Matic? If we can manage to close above the 1.64, then we are going to the 1.75 and then to the 1.85. Can we get there? Yes, we can, but we have one more resistance level at the 1.71, which we found the rejection a little bit earlier. Okay, so we are going to see that as well. On the 4-hour frame, what we have is unfortunately the commodity channel index going up into an overbought, not an overbought yet, but going up there. And with the risk metrics, we cannot decide if we should buy or not. I believe that if we close above the 1.64, then yes, it is a good buying entry. And of course, we are going to the 1.75 and maybe to the 1.85. None of these are financial advice, it's just my personal humble opinion. And here I would like to remind you to join our monthly subscription, links in the description box and in the comment section. You can either join Patreon, buy me a coffee, or buildmycrypto.com, easy profits, follow the guidance right there from Bill's, and you will be safe. Anyway, let's get back to the targets, above the 1.64. And what does it mean to close above the 1.64? It means that the body of the candlestick has to close above here, okay, to go and to close in the 4-hour frame above, okay. So we are looking the next 4-hour candlestick, or this one as well, to close above the 1.64. Then it is very possible that we get to the 1.75 and afterwards to 1.85. At the meantime, let's see a little bit the daily frame for the Matic right here, and I'm going to draw another Fibonacci retracement, this time from this top up to this bottom right here. You can see that the 1.75 is a very strong resistance level, indeed the resistance that we had before, okay, very, very strong resistance level. If we go here, then we might find rejection again, but anyway, in other words, we could potentially be going there. On the daily frame, we had actually an oversold situation. You can see the RSI right here and a minor bullish RSI divergence. You can see back here we formed a bullish RSI divergence with higher low, okay, and of course lower low pattern right there. And now we have a bullish RSI divergence with the Matic. And of course, if we go above the 1-2, this will be good. However, right now we have an oversold situation with the Fisher transform, oversold with the commodity channel index. So everything is in an oversold. That means too many sellers have stepped in and we need buyers to get in as well. I truly believe that Matic could potentially go to the 1.75 again, and I think that it could potentially go to the 1.87, 89 as well, around there. You can see the 1.75 we had before, and of course the 1.89, but this is different. This Fibonacci retracement is different than the one we drew back a few minutes ago, but the targets are the same. Actually, almost the same. So you can see that it is very valid that we might be having a sell pressure at the 1.75 and 1.86. If we keep going above the 2 Tether USD, then we will be going to the 2.40 Tether USD again for Matic. This will be massive. However, we have to be careful till now, and we have to take into consideration that Bitcoin is not stable as of now. So thank you for watching. This is all for this video today. And of course, if you want to just search and find more videos from me, then you can just subscribe and hit the like button because you will automatically get the videos. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.